When you press the engine start-stop button on the dashboard of your Kia Sportage, the instrument cluster lights up as expected, indicating that the battery is supplying power. However, instead of hearing engine crank or the starter motor engage, there is complete silence. No clicking, no turning over, just silence. After a few seconds, the red LED light on the engine start-stop button lights up, signaling that the system has detected an issue preventing the engine from starting. This sequence of events often point to a fault in the starting system, with one common cause being a faulty starter motor relay. The relay is an electrical switch that helps send power from the battery to the starter motor when you attempt to start the engine. If the relay fails, the starter motor won't receive power and the engine won't crank. To locate the relay, you will first have to open the hood and access the engine compartment fuse box. To open the cover, simply press the tabs on the side of the cover and lift it up. Once the cover is removed, you will find a diagram under the cover. This diagram will show you the layout of all the fuses and relays. The relay for the starter motor is here. It is labeled with the start symbol. It's a rectangular relay among the others in the fuse box. To test the relay, you can swap it with another relay of the same type that you know is working. A good example is the rear defogger relay, which is also located in this fuse box. Always ensure the relays have the same markings and specifications before swapping. Now pulling this relay can be a bit tricky. I have a relay puller tool, but in this case it doesn't work well because there isn't enough space to get it under the relay. So I'll be using a pair of adjustable pliers to pull this relay. To avoid damaging the relay, place a piece of cloth over it. Then grip the relay firmly but gently and pull it straight out. Once the starter relay is out, remove the rear defogger relay in the same way. As you can see, both relays are identical and have the same markings. Remember, only swap relays of the same type to avoid electrical issues. Most of the times you cannot even swap different type of relays because of different layout of the pins. After swapping the relays, try starting the engine. If the starter motor works after the swap, it means the original starter relay is faulty and needs to be replaced. If it doesn't work, the issue may lie somewhere else, such as the starter motor itself or the wiring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching.